Hello, everybody. Welcome to my SAK, SAK, Swiss Army knife, stitch removal video. I am not a professional. I should not be doing this, and I do not recommend anyone do this at home. But I had healthcare when I got this done, and then 4 days later, my insurance ended for an employment switch. I'm getting a new job, and so I'm in a great period with no health care, and what more American thing to do than to Swiss Army knife your own wound? So I'm going to give it a go. And I just kind of came out of the garage here and started filming. I didn't prep, obviously. You guys are going to see the whole experience there. I'm supposed to raise that up when I cut, but I got one hand. It's one stitch. I'm going to skip the stitches just to prevent it from opening right away. I don't like that he switched the sides on me for this. I want to pull this side so it doesn't go underneath the wound with all those germs. Okay, this one's a little stuck. I have to pull this side. Oh, I didn't skip. I was supposed to skip. I just told you I was going to skip stitches, and I just went and did the next one. Oh, well. Did I get that? Oh, shit. Sorry for cursing. But I don't know if I'm going to be able to grab this one. Don't think I actually... I'm getting a phone call while doing this. This isn't funny. Of course, right? Can you give me 1 second, babe? Oh, yeah, sure. Oh, cool. Okay, cool. Not at all. Can I call you back? Nope. Give me about 5 minutes. Bye. That one's pulling the wound apart. Ah, got it. Woo. Oh, I think that right there is... Can't tell if that is leftover stitch right there or not. These tweezers are so fine. All right, I'm gonna assume that's not a stitch and move on. Not what I wanted. All right. Let's have a close-up, shall we? All right, well, there you go. Well, there you go, folks. As you can see, the super fine tweezers, super sharp and fine scissors, and the magnifying glass, and you can remove your own stitches. Do not recommend this at home, but it can be done. Thank you for watching, and adios.